Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2012 Hyundai Sonata, and we're going to go over where you would find the VIN number or the VIN numbers. There's a lot more than one place that has the VIN number. Your number one place, or the two number one places, is right here, and this is just inside the door. It's either on the it's the driver's door on the panel once you open the door, or it will be on the door itself. I mean, it could be here or over here is where they typically put the VIN number. So that's the number one, and this is the one that tells you the year, the date, and when it was all made, and also it will tell you where it was made. This one was manufactured in Korea, this Hyundai, but you have all the information that you need here. Number two is the bottom of the window, just above the firewall. They've got the one here that you're going to be able to see. It's on the driver's side. And so there's that one. And then you also have one, a lot of times, stamped inside the engine bay. And we've got it right here on the firewall. It's stamped into the metal. And then this has it on every door and on the trunk. You pop the trunk, you can see the VIN right there. These are all things so you can look around and see, like, has any parts of your vehicle been replaced by an accident or been replaced, and if those VIN number is not the same as the rest, well, then you can know for your information, you know, maybe the door has been replaced, and it might not be an issue, just that you would know that the door has been replaced. So that's an assortment of where you will find different VIN numbers, or the VIN number on your vehicle, engine bay, windshield, and in the front door. And then on all the doors on this vehicle there is a code like this, as well as the trunk, so that you can see that they all match, and then you could tell that this shouldn't have been a big issue. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be a mechanic.